Hello everyone and welcome to Agents Real-World Insight for Developers. I'm Dmitri Jarnikov, Senior Director of Data Science at Prosus, and I'm thrilled to kick off this workshop ahead of the Rise Your Hack Hackathon. Over the past year, my colleagues and I recorded a mini-series called Agents in Production. Today, I will weave together three of those conversations and translate their lessons into practical guidance for your hackathon project. So, why agents and why now? Across Prosus e-commerce portfolio, we serve 2 billion users. At that scale, incremental UX tweaks no longer move the needle. Fully autonomous tool-using agents do. But shipping agents is hard, as my colleagues explained in our kickoff episode, Deployment Pain Points. Their key takeaway: treat an agent system as production software first and an LLM playground second. That means clear metrics, layered safety checks, and deterministic fallbacks when the model wobbles. Keep that in mind while you prototype this week. Our deep dive, Web Agents Navigating the Browser, explores AI that controls the browser the way a human does. Why is it relevant to your challenge? Because many food, travel, and marketplace sites still expose incomplete or brittle APIs. Because a web agent can reason over visual context, not just JSON. And because a single browser automation layer lets you scale from one site to many without rewriting every integration. Our colleagues showed that our team hit 80% task success by combining 3 execution modes. First, fast reflex macros for known pages. Second, DOM-driven actions for dynamic content. And third, a slow fallback with screenshots when things get unpredictable. You'll need a similar hierarchy if you want your hack project to survive real-world latency and captures. In our roundtable, generic versus specialized, the future of shopping agents, we debated where the field is heading. We discussed that pure generalist agents still stumble on multi-step tasks and domain-specific edge cases. That user trust grows iteratively, so we shall start specialized proof value, then widen scope. At the end, we agreed that you can blend both a generic planner that routes subtasks to specialized executors. For the hackathon, that means pick exactly one user journey, food ordering, itinerary planning, or product resale, and nail the vertical slice end to end. If time allows, plug in a generic dispatcher that can swap specialist modules later. Deliver reliability first. Sophistication can come in version 2. Connecting the dots to Prosus Track. Your mission in the Prosus Track is to design an agent-powered e-commerce app. The judges will look at technical execution, originality, and, crucially, agent stability. Concretely, create reusable user profile. Persist preferences as a knowledge graph or vector store so the agent personalizes future tasks. Remember that core demo is more than a feature list. A working checkout on one live site beats a slide deck covering 10. Bonus points for voice first or multimodal input, but only if it strengthens, not distracts from the flow. Build small tool abstraction, keep prompts modular, and write evals that flag silent failures. Remember, every hallucinated price or wrong date erodes user trust. This week, channel the lessons from our podcasts into code. Marry a specialized executor with a minimal planner. Use a browser when APIs fail short. Cache successful trajectories. Your agent will feel smart on day 2. And instrument everything. Tokens, latency, success criteria, so you can prove a return on investment. If you hit a wall, revisit the episodes. They're packed with war stories and debugging tricks you can steal. And feel free to corner me or any Prosus mentor on Discord. We're here to help you ship. I'm excited to see how you push the boundary over the next few days. Thank you and happy hacking.